So right here we have our wheel and tire package. This package includes everything you need for deconning, coating, protecting, and general cleaning of your wheels. So whether you're just first building out your detailing arsenal or you got a fresh set of wheels and you want a total reset, this is the package you're going to want to go with. We have specific videos on each of these products on our shorts channel, so if you want more information or you're confused about a specific thing, you can check those out. So first, let's talk about the brushes and the tools that we included in this package, starting with the lambskin mitt. So this is basically like a wash mitt for your wheels. Super soft lambskin, and it's used for the face and the spokes of your wheels. We have our Detail Factory wheel brush kit. So it's basically a stick with interchangeable covers you can use to clean the barrels of your wheels. We have our Detail Factory curve ball and tire brush. Curve ball is for applying tire dressing. Your tire brush is exactly what it sounds like for scrubbing your tires. The Easy Detail small and large brushes. So these are a wire brush. You can use these to get into the space between your wheel and your brake calipers. Lastly, we have the Race Glaze XL brush. So this is a lug nut brush for cleaning your lug nuts. Alternatively, you could use this as a tire dressing applicator if you have really skinny tires or you just don't like the way the curve ball brush works. So moving on, let's talk about some of the decon or the harsher chemicals we included in this package, starting with Shine Supply Wise Guy. So this is your rubber cleaner for special cases where you want to remove all of the tire dressing or just get a clean start. We have CarPro's Tar-X, obviously for removing tar from your wheels or the fenders right next to it. Eraser, this is for coating your wheels initially. We have our Iron Buster, again for removing iron from the wheels. We have our Terminator. This is useful in the first application of tire dressing to remove all that tar out of the tires before you put your first coating on. Some Kosh Chemi's Clay. This is for that mechanical decontamination step. As far as the coatings themselves go, we have CarPro's Gliss and Deluxe. So Deluxe would be your first layer, and then Gliss is your topper for that deep shine. We also included one coating removal towel and then one wax and sealant removing towel. They're both for removing the coatings, but you're gonna want a variety of low pile and high pile when you do those, and these are the ones that we like here. For the maintenance chemicals, we decided to include a small and large, so the 32 ounces in gallons for brake buster and tire dressing, and then the 16 in the gallon for hides, since you'll be using this a lot more often every single wash and you're bound to need to refill them. As far as towels go, we included 12 of the wheel and tire towels. These are a really good multi-purpose towel for wheels. They have a dark and a light side. They're good for removing tire dressing, things like that. And then we included 8 multi-purpose towels. These are a great multi-purpose towel for really dirty jobs or salt, things like that you wouldn't want to use your nice expensive towels on. So that's the full wheel and tire package. Now, you might already have some of the individual pieces included in this package, so you can just use this as a guide for shopping for individual pieces, or you can check out the individual packages we built that make up this full package. If you have any questions about this package or any specific items, you can reach out to support@Obsessed Garage, and make sure to check out our shorts channel for other package breakdowns or product specific videos.